So first you need to install it. Once you get this title animation effect from my Coffee page, you simply double click the file, the RFX file, and the following window should pop up with the install button. In my case, it's override. The title should be available under Effects, Titles, Custom Memories, and this is CYM Action Title 07. So let me grab it to the timeline. First, what I would suggest is to change the clip duration, because this effect works a bit different than any other title animations that you can find on my Coffee page. So if this title clip is too short, the text will not be revealing entirely. Let me show you. Right now it's a default 5-second clip. As you see, it's revealing only to this title AN, and it's starting to hiding back. So what I would suggest is, for the text that contains two words like this, I would suggest to change the clip duration to 10 seconds. So right click, change clip duration, or Ctrl D as a shortcut, and let me set it to 10 seconds. Right now, as you see, the text is revealing entirely and is nicely hiding back. This title effect is really heavy performance-wise. So don't be surprised if it's not playing smoothly right off the bat. Okay, so let me position my playhead somewhere around here so I can see a part of the text and the glow and effects. And let's go through the controls in the inspector. So in the inspector, you can of course change the text, font, size. I would suggest to use the bold fonts because the effect looks better then. You can change the tracking, line spacing, and so on. In here you can change the color and the outline color. As you see right now you got black, but this is not black, this is transparent. If I change it to, let's say, blue, it will be blue. And let me set alpha to 1 to better see the color, because if you set alpha to 0, it will try to be transparent, and the full transparency is only possible when the color is black. So that's why you saw black as default, okay? So this is how it works. Let me go back to black and set it to transparent, so alpha 0. Then you can change also the outline color, which is obvious. You can switch it to, let's say, yellow. You can also control the color gain, which is this effect that is writing your text. So you can basically disable it if you set it to 0. You can change the size of the glow, of course. And you can modify the overall color glow blend with this slider if it's too intense. Then you got 4 controls that will actually affect the color of the glow. So right now by default is red, but you can change it to blue, for instance. So I will decrease red scale to 0 and boost the blue scale. It should be some kind of blue. Then what you can do is you can control the rays. So you can change the angle of the rays by positioning this ray center control. You got also rays blend control. If you want to make the rays more visible, you can modify decay. In other words, the rays will be shorter or longer. You got rays weight. If you want to go to extreme with the rays, you can do it. And raise exposure. And final 3 sliders will affect the background noise, because as you see we got something going on behind the title. So you can change the hue of it. If you don't want to have the same colors as your title, you can increase or decrease the saturation if you wish, and the overall blend. So basically you can customize it to your needs. But to play it, I would recommend to enable render cache. So go to playback, render cache, and switch it to smart. And now you need to wait until the cache is rendered. So this line needs to be blue. So this is how it looks. Of course, this title is transparent, so you can put anything you want underneath. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. This title effect is available on my Coffee page, as well as many others dynamic high-impact title effects. Hopefully you're gonna find something suitable for your current project. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you haven't already. Do not miss out upcoming tutorials. See you in the next one.